Hey, so just in from a listing appointment, common question we're getting, how do you sell a house that needs work? The selling process is already difficult enough, but when you really add noticeable problems with a property into the equation, it can really make, the home sale even more complicated. Inventory now is beginning to increase a touch and buyers are having more and more options to choose from. So your home, which may need repairs, won't likely be the first choice. And those that are interested in purchasing may make offers that, are less than what you would really want to sell for. So how to sell a fixer-upper, here are 3 things you should do. The first is to get a home inspection. The property is in bad shape, but you're not exactly sure what extent. So this is where a professional can really help. A home inspector can locate the problems related to the property, give you a complete rundown of what those items are. And then once you've identified what has to be fixed, you can actually evaluate whether you can afford the repairs or replacements, or if you'll just sell those as is and make the price adjustment accordingly. Also remember that disclosing those issues of your home would-be buyers is really required by law. So not really, it is. You want to be as transparent as possible to avoid any legal repercussions that may come up later. Secondly, consider selling to an investor or a bargain hunter. The worse the home's condition is, the bigger the pool of investment buyers there will be. Real estate investors, don't want to live in a house. They really want to repair and upgrade so they'll then sell and, earn a profit on the property. Typically, they're going to pay cash and will buy the home as is. Bargain hunters, on the other hand, are in search of a dream home. They're really willing to put in that elbow grease needed to make a property livable, will overlook a few flaws as long as they love the location and some of the other amenities. Lastly is to be realistic with your price. Whatever market we're in, pricing your home correctly will always be critical. This is especially true for homes that are not in the best condition. You really have to set a reasonable price, one that is based on research and makes sense for the market. The best way to do that is obviously to be working with a real estate professional. An experienced agent can use their resources and connections and ensure that you get the best possible deal for your sale. Thanks.